You're on record, I think. Double check, make sure it's running.
Yeah, it's running.
Okay. And if you guys need your drinks or anything. So, Jacob, I'm glad you got to meet him. He's a nice guy, actually. So,
Yeah.
That can be a start of new friendship. You know, you're not really a competitor to him, so it's not like you guys are fighting over fans.
No. I mean,
He is a member of your channel, though?
yeah, he's subscribed. I check his subscription and his
That's great. So I'll subscribe later, too. Say, nice to finally meet you, man.
My name is Boyd. Very nice, very nice.
Also, if it looks like I'm just staring at the screen all right, I'm putting a description like he does, like a good one.
Yeah. If you want to, you can even just give a shout out to his channel saying also make sure you subscribe to WNY guy Siren or something like that. I mean, I don't know, that's what you don't have to do that.
Oh, no, I am.
Simply being nice to.
February.
There.
Snow's coming, guys. You want me to pull in here so you guys can take a picture, shoot a quick video from the car of the playground covered in snow? Would that be cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah. There's a school bus down here too. You can get a video, and in the summertime you'll be like, this is what it looks like in the summer. This is what it looks like in the winter.
Did I really do that?
Here, I'm gonna pull up the side of that way you guys can get a good shot of it from here. Without freezing to
I
death.
found the bus.
You filming? Can you see the playground in your viewer?
I can't.
Here, you want me to hold it out? Here. I got a pretty good angle here. I'm gonna zoom it up a little bit, Garrett. There you go, buddy. There's your camera.
Alright, so.
Dave.
Pretty cool looking, right?
Alright, so. What my description was.
Here, Garrett, I'll turn on your side so you can get your own shot if you want.
Alright, do you want to hear my description?
Yeah.
Well, I failed sort of to get the growl. Sad, because you didn't see what happened. It's fine, I still got the recording and stuff, but because it was shaky, when it went off, it went like this.
Yeah, I know.
It is alright though. But besides that, anyway, this is Siren 24 of the Gnei system. They growl in February, August, and November. Full test in May on the first Tuesday of the month. Also, I met WNY Siren Guy, one of my favorite YouTubers.
That's awesome, Jacob.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Can you see it, Garrett?
Yes.
Yep.
All right. So yeah, there are a couple of lessons learned. We still don't have this. Number one, even though we left early, we still got here way too late. Okay, way too late, and I'll blame myself for that. Way too late.
That is
Next time we're gonna get here like 30 minutes early, not 15. We're just gonna come early, have a snack, talk, laugh, get our equipment set up. Way too late.
We
okay?
got it though.
Yeah, we got it. Number two, your equipment. Everything was checked except the damn thing. The fucking legs broken off of the goddamn thing, and then we get in there and the thing's all loose. It's like, come on, we don't have time for that when we're setting up in 5 seconds.
The leg was my fault. That was me rushing to get it on or up and ready.
Okay, well, that thing comes off really easy.
I know.
It's come off for me too. It comes off for me too, and I don't like that about it. So there's that problem. Then number three, me, when I was trying to set up my tripod, Garrett wanted me to set up his tripod, and I knew there wasn't enough time. I couldn't even look at the clock. So that was a distraction too, because I already knew your camera. When you went to zoom it, you weren't in frame, and I don't even know if you ever actually even fixed that.
I did actually.
Okay, cool. Yeah, because when you did that, I was like, oh no, dude, you can't see anything except sky.
Well, that's what happened after. For some reason, right when the siren went off, it pointed in the sky.
Because it was all loosey, too loose.
Yeah.
So we just gotta tighten up our game. We need better clamps too. Those little metal clamp things suck.
Or we can just get an actual camera, which will be an expensive thing. Which,
I don't think you really need the camera myself. In fact, there's some drawbacks to having a camera. For one, this, not only can you shoot the video, but you can immediately post it from here, because this is a full-blown computer in your
True.
hand. I think that's better, to be honest with you.
true, I was gonna ask a stupid question. Why does it take a day for you to upload your things? And I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot he has a real camera. Brian. I was gonna ask him why it takes him so long. It's because he has a camera.
Yeah, he's probably using a camera.
Yeah, he is.
And you can get some qualities, but for most generic filming and video, these things are amazing. But
I'm glad we got it. Not we didn't really follow our plans, but still I'm glad we went to 24 to see Brian.
yeah, that's good.
That made it 30 times better.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm sorry I got so cold at the end of the conversation, but I was freezing my ass off. And I didn't want me and you really standing in the middle of the parking lot.
I don't know if you actually looked at me, but I was shaking.
Oh yeah. And you got cream cheese on your face.
I'm never eating a bagel before seeing my favorite YouTuber again.
That's not great.
At least we got this month's test. Garrett, I know you did it. You're upset about that, but yeah. Wait, let's see what I at least got.
You don't know how good it looks on camera.
Well, just saying, if you like my video, don't be upset because the exact same videos on your channel.
Yeah. Well, it's nice of you to share your footage. I didn't get any footage either, so I didn't have time to get my camera out. I was gonna get some footage for you guys too, but I didn't have time. You got it. At least you got the sound.
Yeah, the sound, honestly, it's much louder than the 24 is. Usually,
We can go back and get a still shot, and you can put a still shot with the noise. Want to do that way? Do you want me to do that? We can do that real quick if you want. Still shot, and then put the sound, or like show what you got, and then again show it, and then at the end put a still shot and play the recording a second time.
I don't know why I want to do a Siren Big Tour, which is literally just, it's what we were doing this summer. Just, yeah.
Should we go get a still shot real quick on the snow so you can do it? You
No.
don't know that still shot, right? Just take a picture or two, or a couple pictures, and put it to the siren noise. No, okay.
No, I'll keep it that way because
Alright.
I already, yeah.
All right, no worries. Gotcha. All right, what do you want me to do?
If we, it's just a quick tour, we don't have to,
Yeah, dude. We're out. It's not dangerous yet driving. We just gotta be careful because we're up against the lake now.
It's a quick tour. Yeah, you literally, it's simple. And you're just saying, you literally, it's like we were doing this summer. Like I said, you just pull over, you do a cinematic shot, show the box, up.
Oh, well, I can't do all 96, right?
Oh no, not 96, just
All right,
one.
tell me, pick your route. No,
So I want to do that T128 in Ontario. But
yeah, I'll go straight. this? Is it the fireplace, or the one by the Tractor Supply, or?
Yeah, the Tractor Supply team.
Okay, yeah. That's straight ahead. That's perfect.
It's
I don't
recording.
want to go on that 104. Give her that crap. And I'm a little afraid of going too close to the lake because they're going to get more lake effect snow, and we might get it where we're getting super big snow.
Is it lake effect where it's literally snow coming off of the lake?
Yeah, the moisture.
Eddie Vedder, fellow Cub fan Eddie Vedder. I'm Tom Morello. This is my one-man revolution. Mary Morello is here as well.
I'm so glad we didn't go to 12 now that I'm thinking about it.
As a youth, before that was
What's
Con.
that?
12. I'm glad we didn't go to that team on the
The
team.
Sex Pistols. The Sex Pistols. I love rock and roll music, and I had posters of Rush, and
That was
Kiss
awesome.
on walls. But all that felt like it was beyond my ability to dream to be able to play. You had to obviously have a $10,000 Les Paul long lines.
On video. My adventure
I
one
want to get it to where we can meet up on the train
adventure
platform, but we have to get another way to talk to each other, not just comments, because I don't want all 220 of his fans showing up too.
And like Tuesday night, I could perhaps write to be in touch with you.
I know.
Within 24 hours of purchasing the Sex Pistols cassette, I was in a band. Without knowing or play a single note on the guitar, I marched to the Libertyville High School Drama Club and said, a punk band is forming. I'm the guitar player. Anybody else want to be in the band? Raise your hand. Experience.
Daddy, how longer do we have to be home?
Like, what was his name?
This is a famous old punk band called the Sex Pistols. And never mind the Mohawk speech, never mind the shit.
T-128 is just straight ahead. Green, green, green.
Oh my god.
Do we have to film the whole snowstorm?
Examine them. You're no, you don't have to compare it to yourself. You might just get a little less views than me. But anything with a G'nai siren is usually popular. Just saying. Oh, how was that?
So the water's I love you boys.
Gary, you at least
Love
have
you, Care Bear. Give me 5, Tiger. Give me
Jesus.
5, Gary. Give me 5.
Thank you for taking me to 24, even though
No, it's fine. I'm sorry. We still didn't have enough time. That's my fault. But I woke up at 7:30. Me and Cameron woke up early.
I know I'm not. I don't want to blame it on you. Like you're bad at planning, but the gas thing was a little. But you're fine.
I know we needed gas though.
We got it. It's just they only shut the top of the siren.
Sounds good though.
Yeah, we might need a new tripod because I almost caught the phone falling off from the tripod.
I just think that the metal clasp sucks. I think the tripod's fine. That's need a better clamp. I'll look into it. We do. They need them for their movie stuff too.
Yep.
We need good equipment. I mean, the little floor shots they do at home, those little ones they're holding right now work great.
Union Hill had a siren of some sort. I can tell by wow. Garrett. Next test, you want to get like the full yourself?
Full 4-minute one, you mean?
Alright, there's the key one. Right there. There it is. I guess pull down in that spot again.
This is some dangerous shit people are doing on this road today. It's like people keep stopping and fucking around, dude. Your car is falling
Here, you
apart.
get the siren
You see
here.
that?
Because you can get it because you have to film right here where Daddy's. Right here. This big screen to get the siren.
Oh wow, they did plow this. Oh.
Sort of.
Oh no, they're plowing it now.
Yeah.
Sort of makes me suspicious of pulling up here.
Alright. Get some pictures?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna stand out in this snow path. I'm actually gonna talk this time. I don't like not just
Yeah, you do.
again.
No problem.
Dang it!